Welcome to paradise. Good morning. I am still in Misool. This is actually my last day in paradise. Kind of sad feeling leaving this place, but from here I'm going to visit the northern part of Raja Ampat, like Arboreal, Cree, do some snorkeling, going to pull a wayag. That's gonna be something special. So on one hand I'm really sad because this is a wonderful and magical place. On the other hand, I'm kind of happy because I get to see some new stuff. I can show you some new things, some new locations as well. So today is gonna be a special day because we are going to visit one of the nicest bays in Misool. That's called Balol. We are going to swim with stingless jellyfish. So there are a few jellyfish lakes in the world. I know two of them are in Indonesia. One I think is in Sulawesi, one is here in Misool. There's one I think in the Philippines and in Palau, but yeah, altogether not so many in the world. And this is something really special. All the bays, all the islands are crazy beautiful, so it's gonna be a wonderful day, that's for sure. And then after that we will take the ferry back to Sorong and another adventure starts. But yeah, don't get ahead so much, so let's just go. I think the boat is ready, so let's go on this wonderful and nice adventure. So the first stop today, full of mosquitoes. So the place is full of mosquitoes, but it's a super beautiful spot. This is called Balol. It's a bay with huge limestone cliffs around, and there's a blue hole inside a sheltered bay, so it's super calm, the water, and it's super quiet too. Flying the drone is very challenging because it is, I think, the easternmost point here in Misool. It's very remote, and the connection is really bad. Yeah, one of the guys, Korean guy, lost his drone and the boatman went to find it. It's somewhere here in the trees. So yeah, it's very easy to lose connection here, so I didn't really go very far. I just had a shot of this big limestone cliff in the middle of the bay, so I can show you how nice it is, but I didn't dare because my drone is even smaller than his, so I was getting weak signal all the time. And I have a lot of nice places I want to show you on this trip, so I didn't want to lose the drone. I only have one with me, of course. So yeah, this is a wonderful spot. Some of the others went hiking, or like there's a viewpoint, but it's quite a dangerous climb, and I have the drone, so I thought like I would fly the drone because you don't have a lot of time here. It's very far. Whoa. This place, Balol, is quite probably my most favorite part in the world, in Indonesia, in the world, because if this place would be around Coron or El Nido in the Philippines, and it could be because it is as beautiful as those islands over there, there would be a lot of people kayaking, but it's really far from everything and super quiet. You can only hear some birds, but nothing else, and some mosquitoes if you are near the rocks, but here Yeah, it's just empty. Super awesome. After Balol, we came to an island that is used by the local fishermen. I think it's called Genfi Island or something. Jellyfish. I'm not sure. I will write it down in the video. The sun is not out at the moment. It's behind clouds, and the beach is actually not a very nice beach. But we will have lunch here. They have, I think, there's some space we can sit down, and the bay in front of the beach, in front of the island, is really cool. It has some huge rock islands, of course, just like everywhere else, but it also feels like a secluded lagoon. The water is very calm because we just had some rough sea on the way here. It's like outside these lagoons the sea can get really rough, but here it's super calm. We have just a little rest, and then the star attraction of the day is coming. Just after this one we will visit the jellyfish lake, the stingless jellyfish lake, so it's a cool experience. Oh my god, do you see that? I think we have the catch of the day. Fishing in the Misool area is basically free. Like the local fishermen, even there are companies coming from other, like Sulawesi or other parts of Indonesia, because fishing here is permitted around these areas. In northern Raja Ampat is forbidden because that's like a protected area. There is one spot we visited yesterday. The Misool Eco Resort has a marine protected area. Fishing is not permitted there, but everywhere else is permitted. A lot of places, the coral is still healthy. There's a lot of reef fish. There aren't many big fish like or big creatures like turtles or rays or sharks, but still it feels untouched and raw. It's a very nice place to snorkel, very nice place to go around by boat. Yeah, Misool is, I think it's my favorite place in Indonesia. Alright, so we are back at the homestay. We're gonna pack our stuff, and in about 2 hours we're gonna leave to the village, because in the evening we will take the boat back to Sorong. I didn't really vlog at the lake because the climb was was really bad. I was wearing slippers, so I had to remove them, and it's quite painful actually. The climbing up and down, it's quite climb, but it's so worth it. So you get to swim with hundreds of stingless jellyfish. So yeah, I'm quite sad about leaving Misool, but that's how it is. I've had a wonderful time. I hope you enjoyed the Misool series or Indonesia series, because this is a magical place. I highly recommend coming here if you want a secluded paradise, you want some privacy, you want to go to a place not many people go to. Those are the places I focus on my YouTube channel High or Low Tide. If you haven't noticed yet, check out my other videos that are coming and the previous ones as well, because I've already been to some pretty epic places. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to my channel and also like this video, because that'd be a big help for me to reach more people. So yeah, I'm just going to say goodbye for now, because we're about to go to the village, and then see you tomorrow from northern Raja Ampat. That's the place that most people know about, most people go to. We're going to visit Wayag, the Pasir Timbul, the sandbank in front of Kri Island and Mansoor Island. So it's gonna be really cool. So check out my coming videos too. So see you soon.